How to view downloaded files on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. In the Files app, you can locate and view your files, organize and rearrange them in folders, compress, rename, and share them with friends. Now, navigate to the Browse tab, located at the bottom right of the screen beside the Shared option. On the main Browse page, there is a Favorites section. Inside this section, there is a folder labeled Downloads. Tap on the Downloads folder. This opens the folder, revealing a list of all the files that you have downloaded to the device. Keep in mind that some files may be stored in other folders depending on what you choose while downloading. Following these steps, you can easily view downloaded files on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.